I would 100% recommend it to any foreign company that's out there.
Since I've had it 14 years, best employee ever. Always on time.
Oh, it's been a real time saver for us. We've had it since 2000 and wouldn't be without it.
We've continued to use Accu-Cut for now going on 15 years because their customer service is exceptional. Their machines are great. And Trevor always answers my call when I make a phone call.
The service we get from Accu-Cut, from Trevor and his team, and the quality products, it's just a win-win.
Accu-Cut has had a tremendous impact on our business because we don't waste manpower. Our staff can focus on the sales, and our warehouse staff can
Thank you for awesome customer service. You went above and beyond and everything to help me from time of ordering, explaining the machines, to telling me how to use it and making sure that I'm doing it right. And it's just perfect. And thank you again.
It has been truly amazing. It has been a blessing to use it. Very simple, very easy, very self-explanatory. There's nothing to it. It saved us a lot.
Ever since we got that machine, it's so much easier. The carpet stays nice and clean. Being able to roll out carpet is a breeze.
It works great. The service is terrific. The support from all the way up to the ownership of Accu-Cut has been phenomenal. And so we've built our business around it to a large degree.
We have cut losses by thousands of dollars a month that we used to have before we used the cutting machine. So definitely recommend it.
It's all one operation now. You just roll it out, back roll it, whatever you want to do, you can wrap it. It's very quick, very efficient, and it just shows up to work every day.